Welcome to Best Productly.
Five Best Over-the-Range Microwave Oven 2025. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be reviewing the Best Over-the-Range Microwave Oven 2025. An over-the-range microwave oven saves counter space while providing powerful cooking and ventilation for your kitchen. The latest models feature faster cooking, advanced sensors, and modern designs for convenience and efficiency. We have researched and selected the top
1.
Z-Line Over-the-Range Convection Microwave Oven in stainless steel with modern handle and sensor cooking. Upgrade your kitchen with the Z-Line Over-the-Range Convection Microwave Oven, designed for efficient cooking and modern style. This stainless steel microwave oven features a sleek design with a contemporary handle and sensor cooking technology, providing precise and convenient meal preparation. The Z-Line Convection Microwave combines microwave and convection functions, allowing fast reheating, defrosting, baking, and roasting. Sensor cooking automatically adjusts time and power for optimal results, ensuring consistently cooked meals without guesswork. Its over-the-range design saves counter space while adding a stylish touch to your kitchen. Ideal for home kitchens, apartments, or small spaces, this microwave oven provides versatility, efficiency, and ease of use. The stainless steel construction adds durability and complements modern kitchen aesthetics. Its spacious interior accommodates plates, bowls, and medium-sized dishes, making it suitable for everyday cooking needs. This convection microwave oven is perfect for preparing a variety of meals, from quick reheats to baked dishes. The sensor cooking function ensures even heating and prevents overcooking, while the intuitive controls make operations simple and convenient for users of all skill levels. The modern handle and design enhance usability and add elegance to your kitchen.
Top 2.
Sharp SMD 2489 ES Smart Microwave Drawer Oven with Easy Wave Open. 24-inch, 1.2 cubic feet, 950 watt, concealed glass touch control panel, works with Alexa certified, edge-to-edge black glass, stainless. Upgrade your kitchen with the Sharp SMD 2489 ES Smart Microwave Drawer Oven, designed for convenience, style, and modern functionality. This 24-inch microwave drawer oven features 1.2 cubic feet capacity and 950 watts of power, providing efficient cooking for everyday meals. Its Easy Wave Open system ensures effortless access, while the concealed glass touch control panel adds a sleek, minimalistic look. The Sharp Smart Microwave Drawer Oven is Alexa certified, allowing voice control for hands-free operation and enhanced convenience. Edge-to-edge black glass provides a modern aesthetic that complements contemporary kitchens, while stainless steel accents ensure durability and elegance. The drawer design saves counter space and allows for easy installation over cabinets or countertops. Ideal for busy households or modern kitchens, this microwave drawer oven offers precise cooking, reheating, and defrosting capabilities. The intuitive touch controls allow you to select cooking times and power levels effortlessly, while the spacious interior accommodates plates, bowls, and medium-sized dishes, making it versatile for various meal preparations. This smart appliance combines functionality and style, ensuring efficient operation and easy maintenance. Its modern design integrates seamlessly into kitchens, providing both practicality and visual appeal. The drawer design reduces bending and reaching, making it more ergonomic than traditional microwave ovens.
Top 3.
Café 1.7 cubic feet convection over-the-range microwave oven. Enhance your kitchen with the Café 1.7 cubic feet convection over-the-range microwave oven, designed for efficient cooking and modern style. This over-the-range microwave oven combines convection and microwave functions, enabling fast reheating, defrosting, baking, and roasting for a variety of meals. Its 1.7 cubic feet capacity provides ample space for plates, bowls, and medium-sized dishes. The Café Convection Microwave features intuitive controls, allowing precise time and temperature adjustments for consistent results. Its over-the-range design saves counter space and integrates seamlessly into kitchen layouts, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The convection feature ensures even cooking and browning, ideal for casseroles, baked goods, and roasted dishes. Perfect for busy households, apartments, or modern kitchens, this microwave oven delivers convenience, versatility, and efficiency. Its sleek design complements contemporary kitchen decor, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Easy-to-use controls make operations simple for users of all skill levels, providing reliable results every time. This convection microwave oven is perfect for everyday cooking, from quick reheats to more complex dishes. The over-the-range installation reduces countertop clutter, while the spacious interior accommodates various meal types. Its efficient heating system ensures meals are cooked evenly and quickly, saving time without compromising quality.
Top 4.
Café 1. 7 cubic feet convection, over-the-range microwave oven. Stainless steel CVM 517P2RS1. Upgrade your kitchen with the Café 1.7 cubic feet convection over-the-range microwave oven CVM 517P2RS1, designed for efficiency, versatility, and modern style. This stainless steel microwave oven combines convection and microwave functions, allowing you to reheat, defrost, bake, and roast with consistent results. Its 1.7 cubic feet capacity provides ample space for plates, bowls, and medium-sized dishes. The Café Convection over-the-range microwave features intuitive controls, making it easy to adjust cooking times, power levels, and temperature for precise results. Its over-the-range installation saves counter space while seamlessly integrating into kitchen layouts, adding both functionality and visual appeal. The convection feature ensures even heating and browning, perfect for casseroles, baked goods, and roasted dishes. Ideal for busy households or modern kitchens, this microwave oven offers versatility, convenience, and reliability. Its sleek stainless steel design complements contemporary kitchen decor, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. The easy-to-use interface ensures effortless operation for users of all skill levels, providing consistent results every time. This convection microwave oven is suitable for everyday cooking, from quick reheats to more elaborate meals. The over-the-range installation reduces countertop clutter, and the spacious interior accommodates various dishes efficiently. Its advanced heating system delivers even, fast cooking, saving time while maintaining food quality.
Top 5.
AAOBOSI 24-inch built-in microwave convection oven. 1.6 cubic feet wall microwave ovens, air fryer combos, upgraded. 1000 watt power sensor and auto cook. 12 cooking modes, drop-down door, stainless steel. Upgrade your kitchen with the AAOBOSI 24-inch built-in microwave convection oven, a versatile appliance combining microwave, convection, and air fryer functions. This 1.6 cubic feet wall microwave oven delivers 1000 watts of power for fast and even cooking, ensuring perfect results for reheating, baking, roasting, and air frying. The AAOBOSI built-in microwave oven features 12 cooking modes and a smart sensor with auto-cook functions, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes with precision and convenience. Its drop-down door design provides easy access, while the stainless steel finish adds durability and a modern look to any kitchen. The upgraded air fryer function allows you to cook healthier, crispy meals without excess oil. Ideal for home kitchens, apartments, or small spaces, this convection microwave oven offers versatility, efficiency, and style. Its intuitive controls and multiple cooking modes simplify operation, providing professional quality results for users of all skill levels. The built-in design saves countertop space and integrates seamlessly into kitchen layouts.
The link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.